Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Matthew, I am an automation advisor. Sometimes you download an Automation Workshop task file from our website, sometimes our support sends you an example task. How to import those tasks into Automation Workshop? The first step is to save the task file to your desktop. Then just launch Fabati Automation Workshop. Open the File menu, then click Import. Navigate to the desktop folder. Select the task file you want to import. Click Open. Automation Workshop says that the task was imported successfully. At this point, the task file you have downloaded is no longer needed. You can simply delete it. It will not affect the imported task in any way. Now, go to your task you have just imported and open it. It is recommended to analyze its triggers and actions before enabling or running it. The example tasks usually have simple demo folder paths that most probably will differ from your production machine paths, so small adjustments to the task will be necessary. To access the online documentation, simply click on the link at the bottom of each window. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration required, and it takes only a minute. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.